motivated follower of Amog Leela Prabhu, and very nicely she has been following. Mataji ने सीधा ही 16 round से start किया है.
Hari Bol.
Hari Hari. Yes. So she has a lot of enthusiasm. She loves Kirtan. So this is a great opportunity here. We have Ram Kumar Prabhu, very expert here, very much expert in the field. And then I was talking about Piyush, I already told. And then we have Bhavya and Gomahim. Bhavya and Gomahim, do you want to get your videos on? So Bhavya and Gomahim, they are joining us from Carolinas. Is it North or South?
South Carolina.
South Carolina. So they're joining us from South Carolina. They both are very good in shlokas. They learned so many shlokas and they are doing regular shloka recitation. Very, very regular in our programs. And they do it so nicely, so beautifully. And then, of course, we have Bharti Mataji. She is the teacher of all the kids, children class. She's conducting every. Bharti Mataji, we can't see your video. So Bharti Mataji and Ashok Prabhu, you know them well from before. Ashok Mishra and Bharti Mataji. So they.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Very glad.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
And Anika, we have Anika here. Anika
Yes,
is the youngest, one of the youngest school members, and she loves recitation of shlokas, and she does, chanting at least 7 to 8 rounds every day, and many times she does 16 rounds.
Amazing.
Twice she did 16 rounds. That's it.
16 rounds. Especially Ekadashi she tried to do. And her elder sister Aditi is also like that only. They are both amazing. And then we have here, anybody else is there whom I have missed so far? And then we have Anand Kishori here. She is joining, and she has been doing kirtan at home, singing Vaishnav songs and mridanga playing, and she wants to learn and refine and do it properly. So she's very much looking forward to.
Mataji, you are very qualified to take from here and give this class actually.
So actually,
No, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Dandavat Pranam. Not at all, Prabhu. I'm very eager to learn from you. Look forward to these classes. Thank you so much for joining us.
I don't know what I will teach to teachers.
No, Prabhu. I'm not a teacher at all.
Hare Krishna.
So Ram Kumar Prabhu, he has been playing music from very young age. He was trained even before coming to Krishna consciousness in instruments, and here he is one of the best, music instrument players in the area. And every time you see some kirtan is going on, Prabhuji is always there, part of the kirtan team. He is, assisting in whatever humble way. Sometimes he'll be singing, sometimes he'll be playing instruments, sometimes he'll be doing menial services here and there. Just wherever you fit him, he will be ready to serve. He likes to serve, and he is so skilled in everything. Prabhuji is excellent in dramas also. Yesterday I was remembering you about drama, which we will talk later, sometime separately. I was watching one drama, and I was saying that we should do this drama, and I'll contact you about that. So we'll talk that separately. But he is amazing. He is a big inspiration for me. So Prabhu, please, now before wasting any more time, we would like you to share with everyone, how do you want the structure to be? What do you want? What do you expect from us? How we can do on a daily basis, utilize this opportunity which you are sharing with us. So I think some people just joining. Ira, I think, just joined. She is one of the Vaikuntha school, Vaikuntha kids classes student, and Ira is very good. She asks very good questions, and she joins regularly in our kids class. And then of course we have Rakshita Mataji's son here, Niman, and he is amazing. He is one of
Hare
the
Krishna.
Hare Krishna, beta.
very enthusiastic boys. He asks good questions, learns shlokas, and performs well in quiz. Okay,
Amazing.
all right. Please go ahead, Project.
Hare Krishna. Hare
Prabhuji, both Ira and Nivan are 7 years old. So we are here well populated with 7-year-olds now. So there are 3 kids who are 7. So please guide them accordingly.
Hare Krishna. So Prabhuji, if I got it right, Anisha Mataji's initiated name is Anand Kishori Mataji, right?
Yes, Project.
Okay, Anand Kishori Mataji, I have a request. Can you sing Jai Radha Madhava, please?
Yes, Prabhuji, I can try. I'm actually driving right now.
You are
So
driving. Oh, okay.
so
Then we
yes,
will
it
go
would
to
be
the
difficult.
next candidate. Let me pick someone. Hare Krishna. Abhiram Gopal Prabhu, would you like to sing or no? You would pass.
I think somebody else thinks it's better.
Yeah. Who do you?
Rakshita Mataji can.
Prabhuji, all the kids know Jai Radha Madhava. Aditi knows, Anika knows. All of them can sing actually.
Acha. You said Aditi first.
Yes,
I don't-
Aditi knows.
Okay,
She's
I don't know if Aditi is there.
Bharti Mataji's daughter.
Yeah. Anika, I saw Anika. So, but Anika was also very shy. So, Piyush, would you like to sing Jai Radha Madhava?
You don't know the song, right? Or do you?
I don't know it.
Yeah, he doesn't
How
know.
about Nivan?
Anika can little bit try.
Okay, let's try.
I don't know it.
Everyone's turn will come. This is a music class.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
Ready? Okay. You have to sing loudly. Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari.
That's all I know. What kind of forgot?
Yeah, we have kind of forgotten.
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay, let's see. Rakshita Mataji, Natasha Mataji, or you know the song Jai Radha Mata Kunja Bihari and would like to sing?
Prabhuji, I can sing, or Rakshita Mataji, do you want to try?
I
You
think
go
you-
ahead. I'll go after you. You go ahead, Mataji.
Prabhuji, my voice is not good at all. Like it's not.
We will know, Mataji. You start singing.
Natasha Mataji, you have a beautiful voice.
Hari Bol.
Thank you, Mataji. You've been kind. Jayo Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari.
Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari.
Jayo Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari.
Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari.
Jaya Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivardhari.
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 Yashodanandana Braj Jana Ranjana.
Yashodanandana Braj Jana Ranjana.
Yashodanandana Braj Jana Ranjana.
Yashodanandana Braj Jana Ranjana.
Yamuna Tira Vanachari.
Yamuna Tira Vanachari.
Jayo Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari.
Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki.
Jai.
Jai.
Natasha Mataji, you sang so well.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Hari bol. Hare Krishna. Om Agyantimirandhana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesh Shunyavadi Paschatya Desh Tarine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivas Adi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Mukam karoti vachalam langhayate girim yat krapatam aham vande Shri Gurun Deenataranam Paramananda Madhavam Shri Chaitanya Ishwaram. Hare Krishna. It is a pleasure to be part of this assembly. I do not know how much justice I'll be able to do, but I'll pray to Shri Guru that he inspires us so that we can do something in Krishna's service. Is like electricity. If you pass electricity in refrigerator, then it makes things cool. And if you pass it in the heater or microwave, it heats the things up. So similarly, this material energy, it can be applied in Krishna's service. Then it becomes devotional service. It makes our life very auspicious. And if that same energy is used for ourselves, then it's really not that worth. And it's certainly not devotional service. So the idea of music, kala, art, is to engage whatever energy we have, whatever material energy we can engage in Krishna's service, right? So we are going to see 3 types of art today. 2 are musical instruments and the other is singing. Kartal and mradanga, and then finally singing kirtan or bhajan. Kartal and mradanga, as far as they are concerned, my expectation would be that I would be sharing with all of you how we can play something. We will start with basics and then we will go from there on how to play kartal, how to play mradanga, the skill part. The second part that I would like to tell you is that skill is just a very small part in being able to play kartal or mradanga. It's a very small part. It's just a technique that I'll show you a technique that, okay, play like this, that's done. That's only 5%. 95% is practice. Okay, I would try that also, but practice is something which is very much to an individual. And finally, the third, another 5%, which is actually also significant, is that I would expect you all to observe when others are playing. So for example, if you are learning kartal, then my request is that when you start an online class, let's say, or you start a kirtan, you observe how the kartal is being played. 90% of the devotees, a major percent, I don't know if it's 90, a major percent of devotees, major portion of devotees in ISKCON are expert Mridanga and Kartal players, their foundation is based on very, very formal learning. But after that, so many things they learned, the beauty with which they play, they have learned it simply by observing what others are playing. If you'll ask them, they will say, I never read it in a textbook. It was never taught to me in a Mridanga lesson. Okay. But I am playing this. How? Because I am sitting with these other Prabhus and Matajis, and they played something like this, and I also started trying along with them, and then I played. So very important part of singing, playing Kartal and playing Mridanga in the beginning and even in later stages is to try to mimic, try to copy a well-performing singer or a kirtaniya, a music instrument player. This helps us a lot, and this is a very basic way how we learn. If somebody writes an A and then I look at it and I also write an A. That is the way we learn. So we would be doing a lot of hearing someone and trying to understand. It's difficult, but it takes time. But then over a period of time, we can start noticing just that we want to hear. So kirtan is happening, and I only want to focus on the sound of the kartal. So if I pay attention, if I try it within couple of days, I would be able to do that I am only focusing on how the kartal sound is coming. Okay. So the first part is how we will cover the skill part. Second part is the practice. So once we know, then I would request you to repeat that at your home whenever you get time to practice that. And the third part is from your side, you will be observing how everybody is playing. Mostly we are in lockdown, so this would mean watching kirtans and everything online. And the second part would be then eventually, once in a while, I would like to observe how are you doing. So there should be a living guide or a helper or a friend who can see how you are doing and help you get back on track, right? So, or move forward. So that is the sum and substance, 3 portions: how, then practice, and then observing. So with that, now I would like to see how many participants we have. We have a very good number. We have almost 13 participants over here. I would like to welcome all of you on behalf of Abhiram Gopal Prabhu. He is an amazing leader, very sweet spoken, expert in glorifying the Vaishnavas, and it always gives me pleasure whenever Abhiram Gopal Prabhu contacts me. So he is very senior to me in bhakti, and still he treats me with so many wonderful words. So without further wait, I would like to go down this list, note down against your names, what would you like to learn and where do you stand right now, and then we will get into the first part of it, which could be karta. So starting with the host, Natasha Mataji, what all would you like to learn?
Prabhuji, just want to get comfortable with Kartal and Mridang. I don't know anything. I can just bang the Kartal together and some noise comes, and Nirbhay Prabhu, my husband, he's never happy when I'm playing Kartal. So just want to get more comfortable with it.
Okay.
So very basic. I have no knowledge.
Okay. So you can play like slow beat?
Maybe Prabhuji, but
something like this?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. Fast beat?
No.
Okay. Can you play Kartal for 5 minutes?
Prabhuji, I don't have it. I'm sorry. I'm in hospital on call, so I'll just have to.
Yeah, sorry. Let me ask it this way. Have you played Kartal for continuous 5 minutes in a kirtan or something without stopping?
Yes, Prabhuji. Just our like with family members and all, not in a temple or anything.
That's right.
At home.
Yeah. But you can continuously play for 5 minutes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, very nice, Mataji. I'm just noting it down so that we will go from there, you know. So I'm trying to assess where does everyone stand, right? Okay. Okay. Then second is, how about Mridanga, Mataji? You mentioned Mridanga as well.
Prabhuji, we have the Mridang, but it's been just sitting there for many years, and I cannot play it.
Okay, that's fine.
सबके मृदंग बस आप ही की वेट कर रहे थे.
Hare Krishna. No, that's very nice, Mataji. Okay, Mridanga.
So you have your work cut out for you, Prabhuji.
Okay, so now my next question, moving quickly. We have many people. So Nirbhay Prabhu, I don't know if he's on call, Mataji, or if you are there, Prabhuji. I would want to know what all areas of music are you interested in, and same questions.
If he may not be able to answer, Prabhuji, he can play basic kartal and mridang. He's definitely a couple levels above me. So I'm minus. He may be 0.
Wow, and both of you are amazing and humble.
No, Prabhuji, this is real. This is true. This is not humbleness. This is not humility. This is real. So, but he watched some videos on YouTube and got some basic knowledge of kartal and mridang. So his, at least when he plays, it sounds good enough. It doesn't sound bad, or that, oh no, please stop it. Not like that. So he has some basic knowledge.
Okay. Thank you for that, Mataji. Jai. And so, okay.
He also
I
sings
think
much better, Prabhuji. His voice is good.
You sang pretty well yourself, Mataji. So I am then really now waiting to hear from Nirbhay Prabhu, because then he must be singing even better than you. So as you said. So very nice. Okay, I will come back, Mataji, on this. Let me quickly cover everyone today, right? So now next on my list is Anand Kishori Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Mataji, I don't know how I can serve you. You know Kartal, you know Mridanga, and you sing also.
No, Prabhuji. Actually, I don't know anything at all. It's I just know basic 3-beat kartal, and there was once where we were playing the fast beat kartal in the temple. Me and Abhiram Gopal Prabhu and Yugal Kishore Prabhu did not like it at all. He came down and he taught us the fast beat. So somehow I've been trying to practice what he has taught, but somehow, some sound comes, but it's not very good. And so that is what I know from kartal. Tihais I'm not good at all when it comes to kartal. I just when I get confused, I just play like the one beat.
Yes.
And when for Mridanga Prabhu, I just know, like, I just jump straight to Kirtan beats. I was very lazy to learn the practice beats, Prabhu. So I just learned the Prabhupada beat and the Khervatal. And that's it. I don't know anything beyond that. I don't know any Tihai. I don't know anything beyond those 2 beats, Prabhuji.
You are a student of advanced classes, Mataji. we are having all from beginners to everyone, wide range, Mataji. Okay. Next on the list, Bharti Mataji, Anika Mataji, Aditi Mataji. What would you like to learn? Let's start from that. Who all are learning? Bharti Mataji, are you also learning or is it just Anika?
No, Prabhuji, I am also here, and we are actually trying to start from the beginning. Our little bit accelerated student Aditi has decided that she has something else to do, so she has left. So it's just us two. So she has been taught by Anisha Mataji the 3 bit open, close, open. So that's about it. Our knowledge of Kartal seemed to be at that point stopped, and she can play very good. Us people, we cannot. So other than that, we don't know anything else. No Mridanga knowledge, no nothing. Thank you.
My question, so I see you clearly mentioned that you are interested in Kartal. Now, are you also interested in Mridanga?
No, Prabhuji, we don't have Mridanga. And if we have Mridanga, then maybe this one will, once upon a time when she was little, Atul Prabhu, he gave us Mridanga for a little while. And this one would sit and try to beat whatever she can. And then we decided that no, we cannot have Mridanga at home.
But you have a pair of Kartals.
Yes, we have.
Okay.
That is these.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
that is Didi's.
Okay. So we will come back quickly on that.
More.
Let me first go down the list. I have Bhavya and Gomahi Mataji. How are you?
We don't know any instruments, but I used to sing a little bit. I didn't know singing though.
What would you like to learn? So get better in singing. How about Kartal or Mridanga? Are you planning for that?
I want to learn singing and kartal.
Singing and Kartal. Do you have a pair of Kartals?
No.
Okay. Okay. So we can think of getting those. Anyways, I'm thinking about an assignment, and that assignment is something that we can do without Kartals also. So that would be good. Okay. Thank you, Matajis. And then I have Ira Mataji. Ira Mataji.
I don't know any instruments, but I don't know any kartal.
What would you like to learn?
I think I want to learn kartal.
You want to learn Kartal?
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So Kartal. And Ira Mataji, you have Kartals?
No.
Okay. And how old are you?
7.
Did you say 7?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. I have noted it down. Rakshita Mataji and Nivan Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. So, Prabhuji, I think I want to learn Kartal and singing, Prabhuji. And actually, Atul Prabhuji told us for harmonium also I could arrange from somewhere, but if it's not in the class, I think I'll hold and I'll learn Kartal.
I don't know harmonium, Mataji. I tried
Okay.
a couple of
Yeah.
tunes, but that's
No
it.
problem. No problem. Actually, okay. So I think I'll go with Kartal because I don't have Mridanga. So in future, if I have it, I think I'll ask Atul Prabhuji and then we can contact you. I mean, Jaisi Prabhuji. Yes, then
What do you think you would like Nivan Prabhu to learn? Kartals?
Prabhuji, I think singing. I think you should start with singing, and with that when you sing, sometime that beats just you can play. So I think, and what do you say, Nivan? Would you want singing or singing? So yeah, Prabhuji, he'll go with singing, and I will also go with singing and Kartal, Prabhuji.
Very well. Thank you, Mataji.
Not the.
Sorry, was someone saying something? Okay, I'll move down the list. I have Piyush Prabhu on the list. Hare Krishna, Piyush.
Hare Krishna. I don't know anything,
Mm-hmm.
but I would like to learn how to sing.
Okay. Okay. Do you have a pair of kartals?
No.
Okay. So we will stick to singing. Very nice. Do you sing right now?
No.
Okay. Maybe bathroom singing?
Mm, no.
Okay. Very nice. Piyush Prabhu is done. Raksha Mataji. Raksha Mataji's
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Mataji. What would you like to?
Yeah, Prabhuji, I'm interested in both Kartal. Mridang I don't have, but I have it for my little one.
Okay.
And singing also I would love to because I really like Kartal. Kirtan.
Okay. Okay. And the little one also learning or just you, Mataji?
She keeps trying, Prabhuji. She keeps playing Kartal on her own. There are some weird noises coming, but she keeps singing. She likes singing very much.
How old is she, Mataji?
She's 4, Prabhuji.
Oh, okay. I can't handle Mataji. There's a different way to deal with kids. I see my better half, Radhika Gopika, she's very good with kids. I don't know those ways. I'm pretty basic. Okay. Do you have a pair of kartals, Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji, I do.
Okay. All right. Jai, thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Coming down to the end of this list, Rohan Prabhu is next. Rohan Prabhu, Hare Krishna.
I don't have any instruments, but I want to learn karta.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you, Rohan Prabhu. Swasti Mataji.
You're welcome. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good, beta. What would you like to learn?
Like an instrument.
Or singing?
I want to learn singing.
Okay. Have you heard Hare Krishna Kirtans earlier? Or
Yeah,
bhajan?
I have.
Okay. Do you go to Anand Kishori Mataji's, Anisha Mataji's class as well? School? Sunday?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay. So I have noted this down. Thank you, Swasti. And last but not the least on the list is Trisha Mataji, I believe.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, beta. How are you?
My name's Tavisha.
I couldn't hear you. You would like to learn singing or kartan or?
I kind of know how to play kartal. I'm not that good, but I also like singing.
Oh, very nice. Okay. Okay. And do you have a pair of kartals?
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay.
I don't have a pair of kartas, Prabhuji.
Yes, Rohan. You said you do not, right?
No, I don't have any instruments.
Yes. Yeah, I have noted it. All right. So
But I have a piano. I have some instruments, but not these kind of instruments that you guys play. Yeah.
okay. All right. So good. It was good having this introduction. I think most of you have mentioned about Kartal, and so I'm thinking I would start with a little bit with what we would do on Kartal and how you can get started on Kartal, and then go from there. So Kartals, and how they look like, right? Kartals are like clapping. Okay, it's like a musical clap. You are just clapping, but the sound is not like clapping of hands. It is a little different, right? So to start with, even if you do not have kartals, is what I want you to do is I want you to see if there is a bhajan. I'll try to find myself, or a kirtan where somebody is clapping. And what I want you to do is I want you to clap along with that. Okay, that is the most important lesson for all of us, irrespective of whether you want to learn mridanga, or you want to learn singing, or you want to learn kartal. The first thing is my clap should be in rhythm with the music that is being played. Okay, I'll give you an example, and then stay on mute, because everyone's times are different and there may be back and forth. So everyone, I request you stay on mute, but you try to clap with me. Okay, we will try to do this together. You don't have to unmute yourself, and I would sing and clap, and then you observe and you try to play. Okay, you try to clap with me. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So I want everyone to clap. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is called rhythm or tal. Okay, so the tal should never go off track. The most important part for playing kartal or mridanga or singing. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sometimes the speed of the clap can go double, and at other times the music can go at double speed, but this rhythm remains the same. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Very good. Good job. This is the most important part for the beginning. What we want to do is we want to align ourselves with the music in such a way that we are able to follow it. And to follow music means to be able to clap with it. Okay. I don't know how to get feedback on this. It would again be a very long round of getting feedback. So I would not take the feedback right now, but Rohan, I see raised his hand. Rohan, do you want to unmute and ask your question?
So where can you get the symbols?
That's a good question, beta. Two places. Otherwise, one is that we have so many friends over here. Those who come, you meet once in a while. You check if somebody in your friend circle has an extra pair. Otherwise, then you have to order it online from some Amazon.com or some ISKCON website, I think. So more can come on that. Okay, I am noting down against you. You asked how can you get that. We will try to get back to you on that. Okay. How to get kartals.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Okay, thank you, Rohan. Okay, anyone else has any question? Was it difficult to follow clap for anybody?
Uh,
Yes.
I just joined.
Hi, Pragati. Krishna. Pragati, I have a question for you. How old are you?
My name is Urvi. I joined on my mother's phone.
Okay, what is your name?
Urvi.
Urvi? Okay, sorry. Yes. Yes. How old are you? Urvi? Okay. Yes. Can you say,
I am 8 years old.
did you say 8 years?
8, yeah.
Okay, and would you like to learn singing? Or would you like to learn kartals?
I would like to learn Gardas.
Okay, do you have a pair of kartals?
No.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so the first part that I was saying was we wanted to clap. And what I want you all to do is that let me find a simple kirtan. I will send it to you after today's class. And then what we will do is clap along with that. Okay. First part is we want to make sure we are able to follow music of that very nicely. Okay. All right. So I'm going to do one more round of singing and clapping. All of you can stay on mute and try to clap as you see me clap and clap at the same time. Okay. So we will do once more. Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari. As long as the clap goes on, keep clapping. The music can or we can go slow. Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradhari Gopi Jana Vallabha Girivaradhari Yashodanandana Braj Jana Ranjana Jamuna Tira Vanachari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari. Very nice. Okay. So the time right now is 3:45. Okay. I do not think we have a lot of Mridanga players today, but there are some. Natasha Mataji was there. Nirbhay Prabhu mentioned Mridanga. Anisha Mataji mentioned Mridanga.
Prabhuji, I think we can do the other two first. If we have more people today, we can focus on singing and kartal if you want. And then Mridanga, we can start from next week.
Sure, Prabhuji. We will do that.
I think by next week, maybe, we can share with all the kids and all the parents and everyone how they can get more kartals. Maybe we can get from the temple. They may have some. We can buy from the temple, and you can all coordinate with me, and Ram Kumar Prabhu will let me know how we can get, and then I will let each one of you know.
Yeah. And what we shall do, Prabhuji, is that we will try to segregate it out a little bit so that we don't have one very long session, so we can speak about that more. This is good. Right now I do not know how well everyone is doing, but for the sake of moving along, this is the first thing that I want you to do. I will want you to play music, not just any music. I'm talking about bhajans or kirtans. Okay, take simple ones like how there are Prabhupada kirtans. Prabhupada kirtans are usually very simple, and you clap along with that. If you are able to clap properly with the music, then one thing is for sure, you would never miss a beat. And because you will never lose the rhythm, there's no possibility of going wrong. Okay, the most important part is to stay in the rhythm. And how do I pick this up? How do I understand that this is happening? So if you can clap and really practice this clapping a lot, it seems like a very simple thing when music is going on, but it should really get instilled in your heart so much that when the kirtan is on, there's a clap happening here. It becomes a very natural part of us. Okay, that much I want you to focus on this. This is the foundation of music. It's called tal. Okay, it's called the rhythm, the beats. When that happens, then you will be able to pick up from any time, any point of time. So clapping is the easiest way to start. In kartals, it will just change into a different way of clapping, right? You're holding something, and then it will, it's like a, it's very similar to clapping. Okay, just a little bit different. So with that being said, I would like to again talk a little bit. What are we doing here? Urvi, do you have something to say? Okay. If anybody wants to say something, please unmute yourself. I would not be able to see all of you, so unmute yourself and then go ahead. So I think Rohan raised his hand, and then Ira. So Rohan, why don't you go ahead? Do you have a question? Okay, we'll move on to Ira. Ira, did you raise your hand? No. Okay, very nice. Hare Krishna. Okay. When it comes to singing bhajan or kirtan, what happens is there is something called variations. Variation means I sang it in one way and then I sang it in a little different way. And if you will listen to the kirtan and you will try to sing along and keep practicing, keep singing along with that, repeat it again and again, try to sing, then what will happen? Slowly you will start sensing the difference in the way two lines were sung. Okay, like Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Now I'll sing it a little different. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Now I'll only sing the different part. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. This was the first one. The second one. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. This was a difference, how I sang it in two different ways, right? So first part is hearing it again and again so that we can sense the difference. Yes, they sang first Hare Krishna a little different from how they sang the second Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. Okay. Then what will happen? The second part is now I'm trying to sing like that, but I'm not able to sing like that. When I play it on the video, it comes out very nice, but I'm not able to sing that. that's okay. For that, you just keep practicing. The vocal cords, they need practice. Okay, our throat needs practice. So we need to keep singing. Then slowly, what you are hearing, you will be able to sing like that. First, you need to sense the difference from your ears and keep sensing the difference. Then from inside, you will make that attempt to try and sing the way they are singing. And that's the practice for the throat. It takes time. For me, I was a very poor student. I was a very slow student. So it took me like 15 years before I can somewhat sing like what I just heard. Okay, so two exercises. Those who want to learn Kartal, you would be listening to a kirtan. I will try to send it. It will come to you through Abhiram Gopal Prabhu, Atul Prabhu, right? And you would clap to it. You learn to clap along with that. And those of you who are interested in singing, you have to do two things. You have to clap, and the second is, if you cannot clap along with singing, if you can clap and sing, that is perfect. If not, then try to clap separately and try to sing along with the existing kirtan. Okay, these are the two starting points. Now, I'm thinking, I do not want to get into the practical of Kartal today because we have many relatively new devotees, new to music. So we will do some singing today and let's make it interactive. So I will start with from the bottom this time of the list, and we'll do simple singing. Okay, so let's start with Trisha Mataji. Can we go on unmute, please? Trisha Mataji, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I will sing a line and you sing after me, okay? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very good. Good job, Trisha. Okay. Very nice. Moving on to Swasti. And now, Trisha, you can go on mute, but you can continue to sing. When others will be singing, you also try to sing along. Okay. And that applies to everyone else also who are on mute. You can try to sing along, but stay on mute. Next on my list is Swasti.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. You go.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Very nice. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Good job. Good job. Try to sing along. Okay. You can go on mute. And next is Rohan would like to learn Kartals. Rohan, would you like to sing as well?
I think. Okay.
Okay. So just one line. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Very nice, Rohan. Very nice. Good job. Okay. Moving up the list, Raksha Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji, would you be able to sing one line?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Your turn, Mataji, now.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hari Bol. What is your little one's name, Mataji?
Aradhya.
Aradhya. I'll note her name down as well. She sang very nice. So, Aradhya, it's your turn now. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Mataji.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Raksha Mataji, you sang very nicely. You were able to pick the variation that I did. And that also even after Aradhya sang it and I sang it. So that was very good, Mataji. Please see if you can clap along with the kirtans.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Or something, okay?
Yes, Prabhuji.
That was very nice. I have noted that. Okay. Next on the list, Piyush Prabhu.
Hare
So,
Krishna.
Hare Krishna, beta. So I will sing and then you try to follow along, okay?
Okay.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very nice, Piyush Prabhu. Okay. Next on my list is Purvi Mataji. Purvi Mataji, are you ready? Okay. All right. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
I was just trying to put.
No problem. Try to sing this.
Someone joined.
Yes, Urvi Mataji, can you sing? So then we will move on to someone who joined.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Rama.
Hare Hare. Very nice, beta. You sang very nice. Urvi. Okay, good. Rakshita Mataji.
Thank you.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, so we will try the same thing. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hari Bol, Jai. Mataji, your sense of tal was also correct, and you were able to pick variations. So very nice, Mataji. I will note that down, and we will go from there. Where is that? Yeah. Okay. And do you play Kartal right now, Mataji, or no?
Prabhuji, actually, I have played sometimes. I'm not sure that I'll go with the rhythm, but my mom used to play dholki, so with her sometime I used to play. Yeah.
Oh, very nice. So
Yeah.
do you know the three beat Kartal?
Prabhuji, if you play, I can see if I can play that. I mean, I don't have a kartal, but
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
yes, Prabhuji, I can play this. Yes.
Okay, very nice singing, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Thank
you. Kartal and okay. Nivan Prabhu, would you like to sing?
Okay.
Okay. Can you sing Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna
Okay,
Krishna.
let me go simple one. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Very nice. Okay, you did good, Nivan Prabhu. You were having that.
Thank you,
Very nice. You're welcome, beta. Okay, so I am not done with. Okay, and yeah, first of all, somebody just joined. Shinika joined us.
Yes. Yes.
How old are you, Shinika?
9.
9. Okay. Would you like to learn singing or kartal or both?
Singing.
Singing? Okay. Very nice. Okay. All right. Do you have kartals as well? Okay.
No.
I saw it with someone else, I think. Okay. Very nice. So now moving to Ira. And everyone else can stay on mute, but sing along, clap along. Okay, so Ira will go on unmute now and will sing.
I think I want to learn Kartal first and then I will learn singing.
Okay, so Kartal first. Okay, Ira, so we will come to Kartal, all right? We will move on to Bhavya and Gomahi Mataji's. So Ira, what I want you to do is I want you to clap along with me, okay? You stay on mute, but clap along. So first, Bhavya Didi will go, okay? And we will try to sing, all right? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bhavya ji.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very nice, Bhavya ji. You stayed in the rhythm. That's very good. Okay. I want you to try clapping along when Gomahi ji will sing now. Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very nice. Gomahi ji, you also did very nice. You were better on the sur side of it. So what happens is, when we sing, there are 2-3 factors. First is I am singing in front of so many people. Sometimes I get nervous. This happens with me in drama also. Is Prabhuji also going to sing?
Yes, yes.
Hari bol, Prabhuji, I need your name.
Shri.
Shri Prabhu, Jai. Would you like to learn Kartal as well, Shri Prabhu?
Yeah, I mean, whenever I get chance, I join them.
Okay, Hari bol. Yes, Prabhuji. And so let's try some singing, Prabhuji.
Okay, very nice. Thank you.
Okay, so Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
Hari bol. So your rhythm was perfect, Shri Prabhu.
Thank you.
Okay, so one general thing is, it happens with all of us, and this is where the drama also comes into play, into picture. What happens is, as soon as I know what I have to say, I sometimes get in rush to deliver the dialogue.
Correct.
In the drama, right? What is my line? What is my line? Okay, my line is that, Krishna, the Annamrit pot is over. So we'll be like, Krishna, Annamrit pot is over, or something where, it does not sound like we actually were speaking. Like if I would have spoken it in real, I would have said it in a different way, but I just said it for the sake of. So sometimes what happens is that song also, we try to sing it quicker than the beat, like Hare Krishna, Hare. No, I won't be able to sing it off beat. I'm so used to this thing. But so relax. And one general principle that I would repeat again and again for everyone, I want you to listen to a slow bhajan or slow kirtan like Prabhupada is singing. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. And I want you to clap along with that. I'll try to find, as I said, some kirtan where there is already clapping. So that sets really us aligned with the music. Okay, so that is the first thing that we want to do. I will move along. Thank you so much for your participation on this one, Shri Prabhu. You are the latest addition to our class.
Yes. I wanted to try. Thank you for the opportunity, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, you should come to ISKCON Farmington Hills. I know you are in Carolinas. We do pot washing sometimes in the temple, and the rule is whoever does pot washing with me, they have to mandatorily sing for 15-20 minutes. So,
Very good. Very good.
What? Where did you say to come?
It's not for you, Rohan, but whoever is more than 12 years, we wash pots in the temple, and when they wash pots, they have to sing Hare Krishna mantra. So don't worry, you can come, but we won't make you wash pots. Okay, so that's very nice. Then it's the service becomes a lot of fun. So okay, we will move along. Shri Prabhu, I'm sure we will be doing a lot more singing and for Krishna. Okay, with that I'll move to Bharti Mataji, Anika Mataji, and I don't know if Aditi is there, and we will try to sing and clap. So who will go first, Anika Mataji or Bharti Mataji?
Anika will go first, Prabhuji.
Okay, let's try this. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Okay, Bharti Mataji. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Bharti Mataji, you sang so nice. Next time you should be giving class on music. I'm serious.
Prabhuji, much more nicer people are here than me.
Correct.
Rakshita Mataji is such a nice singer. Anisha Mataji is such a nice singer.
Yes.
Even Natasha Mataji also sings so good.
Yes, I agree. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, Bharti Mataji is also trained in music. She has also learned harmonium, and she used to play music in the past. So she's also a very wonderful singer, Prabhu.
Amazing.
She sings beautifully. She can play kirtans wonderfully.
Prabhuji, it was 25 years back.
Music stays with heart, Mataji, forever. You know, Anand Kishori Mataji just proved that my observation was not wrong. Hare Krishna. So very nice, Mataji. You sang in tune. You sang with the sur, and I have noted that down. So we'll keep that in mind. Okay. Anand Kishori Mataji. Okay. Let me.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Actually, Ansh is very inspired and he wants to sing. So I'm going to hand over to him right now.
Did you say Ansh?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Oh, okay. Ansh, do you want to try Hare Krishna mantra? I won't sing, you sing.
Wait.
Sorry, Prabhuji, just give me 1 minute.
Take your time, Mataji. I have a 5-year-old. I know we need to be very patient.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very nice. Very nice. Ansh is our youngest, I think, youngest student of the music class. Hari bol.
No, I have a little sister who knows some Bhagavad Gita slokas. She's only 2. She knows the Hare Krishna mantra, but not singing, and she knows some Bhagavad Gita slokas.
That's amazing, Rohan. What is her name?
Nitya.
Nitya. Okay. Very nice, Rohan. That is.
She's only 2 years old, and she knows the Hare Krishna mantra and Bhagavad Gita slokas.
And do you also know the shlokas that she knows?
Of course, I'm the one who taught her those slokas.
Oh, okay. You should teach me some too. My son also, he knows some shlokas that even I don't know right now. So I should learn from you and Nitya and my son. Very nice, Rohan. Okay, so I have to check if Nirbhay Prabhu is there or Natasha Mataji is there.
I'm here, Prabhuji. Nirbhay Prabhu is probably not here.
No problem. Let's give you a difficult one, Mataji.
Nahin, Prabhuji, please, easy wala, bilkul.
Okay, but at least double beat. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hari bol. So you also proved that Anand Kishori Mataji was absolutely right when she mentioned your name, that you sang very well, you sang in rhythm, and you sang with sur. So sur and tal are the two very important parts. So I clearly see that we need to have one separate class for for only Kirtan, I believe, and then 1 class for Kartal basics. Okay, we have 12 minutes. What I will do is I will show I have one video, but let me first just do this. Okay, so how to hold the Kartal. I do that for a couple of minutes. So those of you who know a little bit, you can have an assignment for you for until we meet next time. So when you have the Kartals, I want you to, in your, let's say, start with right hand. On your first finger, have this 1 Kartal hang down, not very down, little nearby, like up till here. Okay, have the Kartal hang down. Everyone who has the Kartal on your right hand. So the Kartal is on the other side and everything else is on my side, right? So I'm holding it like that. Now I want you to wrap your finger around it so that it hangs a little closer now. I have a video for this from YouTube also, but I see we have very young kids. I don't want you to be confused. So we will get that later, but I think
I know how to hold the Kartals.
Very good, Rohan. Very good. We will wait for all our friends. Ira, I'm not sure if you are raising your hand. Are you raising your hand right now?
Yes, I just had a question.
Yes, beta.
What about if you're left-handed like I am? Then will you hold the Kartal with left hand on it?
We will have to hold the same ways in the left hand also. Okay. So I just started because I'm right-handed. I started with right, but you would do the exact same thing for left also. Okay.
Okay.
So now we will do it with the left hand. With the first finger of the hand, I want you to hold the Kartal a little down and then wrap your finger around it. Usually it should make just 1 round and then you have the Kartal like that ready. Okay. And then with your second finger, it is called the king finger. It will come between your first finger and the Kartal like that to give some additional support, because it's too heavy for my hand. I can't hold it with just 1 finger. So I press my second finger also between the Kartal and my finger like that. And then with my thumbs, I hold the rope or string, whatever you want to call this, of the Kartal so that it becomes really strong in my hand. Did everybody get to it? Whoever has Kartal? We will do this more and individually as well, but if you can. Piyush?
Yes, I have a question. Can I change my response to, instead of doing singing, can I do guitar?
Yes. I'll just note it down. Okay. Yeah. And all these things, what would happen is that I would be speaking, I would be telling a lot of things. It's up to you. If you have, say, 1 hour, how would you spend that 1 hour? Would you sing for 1 hour? Would you play Kartal for 1 hour? Or would you do both for half an hour each, right? It's up to you to where you want to spend your time. And that is what you would learn very nicely. Okay? So, I have the Kartal in both of my hands. All I did was I tied this rope around my finger. Okay. If you are able to hold it, then I would show you the next step. If you're not hold, then we will probably talk again. I have these facing each other in front of me. And then what I do is I hit the top part, open, then the bottom part, open, and then close. Open, open, close. So it's like from the top part of one kartal, I hit the top part of the second kartal. So 1, up, then down, down, clap, up, down, clap, up, down, clap. Okay, up, down, clap. So this is the one that we would try to practice with. Up, down, clap. If you're able to get this, then try to practice it more. But I really don't know if you are able to get the grip right. Don't worry. When we will start, our first Kartal class would practically begin from next time. So at that time, we will see if each one of you are able to hold it correctly. Okay. For this week, if you are already comfortable with singing and clapping, and if you have pair of kartals, then try to play slow beat. Otherwise, my general instruction to everyone is clap along with the slow kirtans. That is what we want to do. And even with fast kirtans, you can continue to clap at the same speed and there won't be any problem. Okay, so with that, now I would stop here and see if anyone has any questions or any suggestions or comments. Ira.
So if you were lefty, if you were left-handed, then you would take the left kirtan and then you would bang the right kirtan, or you would do the same, or then you would do.
Yeah. So in that case, so this is my left hand. I would do up, down, close. What happens is when you go fast, I want your stronger hand to move around. Okay, so you would do it from your left hand. I am right-handed, so I am doing it from my okay. So the idea is don't move one, move the other one. Okay, that ways if we practice, we'll be able to go faster also when we practice. When I was of your age, I used to go to a tabla class, and in that tabla class they taught us some very simple things, like just this much, holding this and just hitting this once, and we just kept doing that for 1 full year. Just that, just this for 1 full year. Okay, so the importance is of practice. If you want to sing, try to sing along with a kirtan that you like and try to match your variation with it and keep practicing. If it does not come, continue doing that. And for the kartals, I would first recommend clapping along. Okay. Any other questions?
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Wow, amazing. Thank you so much. You are really, big inspiration. How patiently you are watching, you're seeing each one, and so personally you're guiding. That is so amazing. Actually, because of you today, I understood we have so many gems in our Lansing Yatra. कहते ना हीरा के बारे में तो जौहरी ही जानता है. Only a jeweler can identify a good diamond. Similarly, we have all these diamonds, and we didn't have a person who could actually see, and now we have in your form. So we are very grateful to have you here. Otherwise, we never could have learned all these things. So all the kids, don't worry, we'll try to arrange for kartals and for mridanga and for all the other instruments. But very, very, Prabhuji has taken out time, and you all came forward and participated with so much enthusiasm. That was so nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you once again for joining. So we'll be looking forward to this every Saturday this time, or some changes. Whatever works, you can either tell me now, or we can talk about it later and then decide.
We'll do both, Prabhuji. What I want to do is that my experience is I want to continue giving individual time, but then I don't want that if we are working on kartal only and somebody is only in for singing, then they have to wait for 1 hour before they get their
Correct.
turn.
Correct.
So we will divide it out into only singing. So those who are interested, they come in for that time period, and then kartal beginners separate, and then singing, maybe singing and beginners separate, something like that, so that we can work out, Prabhuji.
Excellent.
Final
So
30 days and any time.
Rohan, can you tell again?
I'm fine with any day and any time, but not in the early morning.
Okay, we will try not to do it very, very early in the morning.
Rohan already knows almost 130 to 150 shlokas of Bhagavad Gita.
Hare Krishna.
Right, Rohan?
Yeah.
How many do you know? Maybe close to 125, 130?
I don't count.
He doesn't count. Okay. But definitely more than 100, right?
Yeah.
Definitely more than 100.
Amazing.
Okay. Very good. Like that, all these kids, they are, doing very well. Thanks to Bharti Mataji and their parents. All the parents are, involved. And we are hoping that by joining every week, every Saturday in this music class, by next year, we should have a team of people who can at least lead basic kirtan.
Hari Bol.
Very good. Okay, Prabhu, thank you so much once again for joining. We'll end it here.
Service.
The parents, all the participants.
Prabhuji, we will not end. We will say thank you to Ramkumar Prabhuji, and then we will just continue.
So,
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji, they'll have children class now.